So there is no light in your house.
Yeah, actually, I belong in a rural area where there
Nice,
is not.
nice. But it
But
is possible or not to turn on the
yeah,
camera?
yes, 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 possible. Now, yeah, you can see me. Now, you can
Yes,
see me.
I have just little time I can say. So I don't
Okay,
want
but
to
yes, you
waste
can
my
see me.
time.
There is not. There is one a single bulb you can see in my not in my room.
Hmm.
This is not my personal room. This is rooms that
Okay.
belongs to us, and my house is not
So okay,
well
okay,
maintained.
okay. I want to know about more about yourself. Where you belong? What do
Yeah,
you
yeah.
do? Yes,
Thank
what's
you,
your
ma'am, for
qualification?
this golden opportunity. As you can see on the screen, there is a name. That name is Satisfaction, and my name is Satisfaction, and I am from Eco District, Lakhimpur by profession. I am English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my qualification, academic qualification concern, I have done my master in English. And when we talk about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies like singing songs, listening to music, beating drum, teaching the students, doing yoga, learning new things.
Long
Furthermore,
list. Like, a long list of your hobbies.
furthermore, I
Yes.
would say that recently I have started a YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Pleasure, where I just upload in a English content video so that people can learn this beautiful language very easily. That's all a little bit about us. Thank you for your.
That's good. But I didn't catch which state you belong.
Yeah, state UPI still yeah. Sorry for that.
Yes, yes. Okay. State UP. Okay. So you want to know? Let me introduce myself. Okay. Then we
Yes,
will jump into the
it's my pleasure.
conversation.
Yeah, if it's mine, especially
Okay.
pleasure if you introduce yourselves. So please, ma'am,
Okay.
I wish that you can
Okay.
introduce.
Okay. Definitely. I'm Menika. I'm from Jharkhand. I'm mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done graduation with commerce, and I also done teaching diploma degree. Currently, I'm pursuing master of commerce. And if I talk about my hobbies, so there are some hobbies I can say. I don't say I have only one hobbies. I have some hobbies like reading books, listening old music songs I can say, and when I have a leisure time, and I feel like to enjoy free time with my kids, and sometimes doing different activity. I like to do new things, and in this day I'm interacting different people. They belong from different state, and it's become also my hobby. I can say I want to know about the people, their way of living, what they are doing. It's also become part of my hobbies, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube channel where I upload all kind of English related videos. That's it. It's all about me.
It's a very commendable for me, not for me as for viewers as well. So, ma'am, do you have any specific topic or you like?
Yes, I have topic. I don't want to run around the circle. I don't want to ask the same question because it will become a repetition. And in this time, we were not interested to listen the same question and same answer. I can say, if I will ask the same question, you must have a same answer of that question. Why are you
Yes,
learning English? What is your purpose? When did you start? Yes, these are become a very common thing. So
yes.
let's come to the point. And my question is, how our own minds work, how our own mind works.
Yeah, you need. You mean to say how does our mind work?
Hmm. We will talk about our mind.
Okay, okay. It's a very interesting and mind blowing. So, firstly, I would like to. You can start from your side. Then I would like to explain.
Okay. Okay. First thing, mind. It's a God gifted, I can say, and God given wonderful things and miracle power. I can say, it's depend all up to you how you are utilizing it. You have a biggest weapon in your hand. It's all up to you whether you are using in a correct way. It means right direction and wrong direction. It's all
Yeah,
up to you. Then basically our minds work in two different way. First
yeah,
one is conscious, and you can say rational.
Yes,
Okay, and
yes.
the second one is subconscious and irrational level. Okay, and what is the conscious and subconscious? I want to
Yeah.
explain it
Yes.
very little bit, whatever I have a knowledge, because I read it in a book and I want to illustrate here, because whatever
Uh,
you are speaking and try to explain it. Okay,
yeah.
so
Uh,
like first one is conscious mind, irrational. What is
yeah.
it? You, whatever you are doing whole day,
Yeah.
means whatever you are thinking, if you, whether you are thinking a positive, whether you are thinking in negative, everything record in our conscious mind, and it will sink down in our subconscious mind, and our mind work according to our thinking power. Like if you are thinking negatively, okay, so you will, negative thought automatically fix in our subconscious mind, and you will take action according to our negative thoughts. Okay, and when you start a single negative thought in a day, it means whole day you are going to engage, and you are just lots of thought will create in your mind, lots of thought, and you will not stop. And every time, because we easily get interact with negative effect, I can say, when we start thinking a single negative thoughts, like when we happen at any bad situation and bad things with anyone. Okay, so we just, there are lots of negative thought create in our mind, and we are taking action according to our thought.
Yeah.
So how this thing happening? Because we are thinking negative, and our
Yeah.
mind is ready to work like that. Okay,
And
so it's all up to you. If you are thinking in a positive way, it means your mind will work in a positive way, and if you are thinking in a negative way, your mind will definitely work in a negative way. Okay, like you will definitely know those people, they becoming more and more richer. Why? Because they only focus on doing their work, they
yeah.
never focus what other people saying. Okay, they only just everything just ignore and focus on their work, and they always give positive affirmation, positive gratitude of our mind. It's all about mind game, I can say. How you are using, how you are utilizing this weapon. If you are utilizing in a proper way, correct way, it means you will get, you will achieve lots of things in your life. But
Everything
the
depend
same
on.
time,
Yes.
hmm,
Yes. I,
everything
everything
depend on our mindset,
thinking. If
thinking
you
power,
think your mind
way
work.
of thinking.
Sorry. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
and
So,
if you are thinking a negative, if you are whole day think negative, and if you are blaming the people, the most thing is blaming the people. We know when we happen something bad with us, we easily blame others without knowing the reality. Yeah, we easily start blaming. This situation happened by only because of you. You are the reason of this situation. No,
yes,
and you
yes.
don't blame others. Okay, and don't create, because when you are going to blame other people, so there are lots of negative thought will create in your mind, and you will get frustrated,
Definitely, definitely.
anxiety,
I am satisfied.
and you will get frustrated, anxiety, and doing lots of negative activity. So it's
Yes, ma'am.
all about thinking. It's all about our way of thinking, how you are think, how you are utilizing your weapon, how you are utilizing your mind, I can say.
Yes, yes. Nice explain and nice to hear. Subconscious mind can think properly, and unconscious mind can't think properly. But I think uh, which type of action you are going to give to the mind, because mind has lot of control. Mind control everything.
Hmm.
So it is total different. How are you going to use? Yes,
Yes,
mind.
it's all about our thinking, it's all
If,
about mindset. Like if you are not ready to do the work, okay, if you have any task and you just say this is not my cup of tea, I am not able to do, our mind will accept it, and the thought will fix in our subconscious mind,
yeah.
and you will not able to do this work.
Yes, yes,
But
ma'am.
if you take the work as a challenge, you will say yourself, I will do this work, it doesn't matter how much time this will, work will take, how much efforts we have to put. Okay, I will finish anyhow. It means your mind is ready to do the work,
Yeah.
because now
Yes.
you are giving positive affirmation of your mind.
Yes, I think what you can think you can become according to you, and
Hmm.
everything is depend on your thinking. If you have to become a fluent speaker, if you want to become IS and anything you want to have in your life, so it's total up to all up to you. But it's total depend on your thinking.
Hmm.
If you have
It's,
good thinking ability, then you can do anything that you really want in your life. But
yes, definitely.
most of the people don't think as you are mentioning, and uh, approximately 70,000 negative thoughts are
Hmm.
cultivated in the mind, and most of them are 20% positive. So in this world, we can say most of the people start thinking negative way. They
Negative,
always
yes.
thought. And I would like to tell you furthermore, ma'am, the thing that I don't want, really want in my life, in your life, do not think about the thing which is not you really want. And the thing you want, you need to start thinking that I want pleasure, I want money, I want happiness, I want good behavior, I want love, peace, and everything.
Hmm.
So why we are not thinking
Thinking like
the
that.
thing that the thing
Yes.
that I want? Yeah,
Yes, we are just blaming the others people. We are
yes,
just thinking about negative aspects. No
negative
need to
way.
think. And even you will realize when we start thinking positive, the thought will not come in our mind.
Yeah.
Positive thought never come in very easily.
And
Yes, and our mind very easily get distracted.
yes,
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 because
and
we are habitual of thinking negative thoughts.
negative way. And
Hmm.
our environment is also giving the same negative thoughts. I would say that the area in which we are living, most of the people always uh, expressing their negative thoughts that you shouldn't do this work, you shouldn't do that type of activity, and do not involve that types of girls company. That's of I mean to say. So if any parents and if any mothers always try to stop uh, about negative thoughts,
Mhm.
then your child will become genius.
Genius, yes, definitely, definitely. Yeah. So it's
So,
all
ma'am,
our thinking power
yes.
and it's all about our mindset. Yeah.
And for this positivity, a person should be thoughtful. And how we can become thoughtful, as you mentioned about the mindset. And today, I'm very lucky that you have started conversation as on the topic of mind, and how we can activate our mind, and how we can keep away from the negativity, and how we can cultivate new thoughts, positive thoughts. With the help of those positive thoughts, you can bright in the world, you can shine in the
Yes.
world.
Yes,
But
definitely, definitely.
first, first here questions I would like to uh, present a questions that if anyone is thoughtful, a person should be thoughtful. And how you can become thoughtful, when you get a bill the money at a time, you need to start thinking that who am I, and what's my purpose, and what I really want from my life, and what is the condition of my family, and everything. And after thinking deeply the thing that you really want, then you can set your mindset, then you can set everything. And if you are getting best facility from your parents, you will not uh,
Yes.
force yourself.
Yeah. Because you are easily get everything. You are
Yes,
getting easily everything. So
everything.
you will not feel like no need to do a hard work. Yes. Because
Yes, yes,
without doing
yes,
anything, I get everything from parents.
yes, yes. And when we talk about myself, as I mentioned that I belong to a poor family, and here I have to manage a lot of things, household chores, and I am a single person, one who earns money for my family, and I have only teaching source. Yeah,
Oh,
for
it means your source of income is only teaching.
yes, yeah, only teaching. And But I'm thinking I would like to add some other shows as well. But day and night,
Y-
I think that how I can give the best facility that I really want for my kids, and I am blessed with three children. Yeah,
You don't focus about facility. You should give a good quality education. Yes, and you should try to give those necessary things.
yeah,
They are very necessary for those for them.
yes,
Okay, no need to give a luxurious car, luxurious building. No, these things are
yes.
not very necessary, but good knowledge, good education is very important in this time.
And my two
If they
sons
will
are
get a good
studying.
quality education, they will do anything in their life.
Yeah, my two. I would like to furthermore tell you, my two sons, whom I love very much, they are
Mm.
studying in English medium classes. Yeah,
Okay, that's great. That's great. Fantastic. Yeah, education, you should give a first priority and very important thing, that is education. Other thing is it's okay. If you are not having giving a good foods, that's okay. But you should try to
and
give a good education. That is very important.
here I will actually tell you about the my blessed conditions among the 20,000 people. I am the single person who is able to speak English in front of you. There is no any one person who can dare to speak in English, and so that's why I always thought that I am a one who come to know about everything, and so that's why I would give the same quality, same facility to my kids as well as one who really wants from my sides. So my dreams is very longest, you can
Yes,
say.
yes, definitely your dream definitely will fulfill, and you should work and you should do a hard work. Definitely you, I think you are doing lots of hard work. I can see on
Yeah,
your face, and
yeah, ma'am.
definitely.
Actually, at this nowadays I am running a school which is located in Nepal, and there you can say I'm a owner of that school, and
That's great. That's great.
but I don't understand myself that I'm a honor partner. Although 20 teachers are working over in my school, and I guided them how you
Hmm.
can teach and what is the role of a teacher and everything which is necessary for those staff teacher. But I always understand, consider myself that I am only cooperating. That Malik, you can see God is
I
only
think you
given
are
only.
very down to earth person. I can say you are a very kind hearted person. That is good, and we should
And
always down to earth.
never I try to you know involve myself in those company which can hurt me. You can see my condition. I don't have much fine class. My shirt is also tear, and I am thinking that one day I will change it anyhow.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Hard works never waste. Yes, never
Yeah,
waste. Never will goes waste. Definitely, you will get everything. Sometimes God's check our
yeah,
patience.
yeah.
How much
How much you?
patience? Yes, patience
Yes.
you
How
have.
much? Yeah.
Because if
Yes.
you God
And
giving this kind of situation, they will plan something different for you. Keep
yes, yes.
patience, keep working, and
Thank
don't
you for
feel
your time.
demotivated. Yes,
But I
stay
am not.
motivated.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
stay
Yeah.
motivated.
Yes, I'm a motivational speaker as well, but I'm a positive thinker. So, ma'am, thank you for your kind conscience, and I would pray that you will achieve any desirable things that you really want in your life. And I am hoping like this, and I pray to God every day. It's my duty. And apart from this, I have also studied different religious books like Bible, Gita, Quran, etc. And I have a 14 years experience of teaching. Yeah, since 2010, I have teaching English in different school. So
Still, you are teaching in school, or you are running your institute.
yeah, nowadays I am running my institute, and before, yeah,
Oh, before you was teaching in school.
yeah. So, ma'am, thank you because I think it's enough time. And
Yes,
after over the conversations, I would like to send my YouTube channel link. If you wish, you can subscribe. So it's also
yes,
a very
definitely, definitely. I will subscribe your channel,
thank
and
you, ma'am.
you are
Thank
very
you, ma'am.
kind-hearted person, and wonderful
Thank you, ma'am, for
conversation.
your experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.